Hello everyone, welcome to day 89 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this peephole chevron stitch. This is also very similar to the chevron stitch except for the dips and peaks. We create these spaces instead of increases and decreases. Let's see how to make this pattern. So to make this pattern, it requires a foundation chain that is a multiple of 10 plus 3 stitches. The 3 stitches, it counts as the very first double crochet stitch. So now yarn over and go into the 4th chain and make 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. That is, including the chain 3, we have 5 double crochet stitches. Okay, so now it's time for the very first decrease. So for the decrease, instead of going for the together double crochet stitch, we are going to skip these 2 stitches and move on to the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, and now again make 4 double crochets into the next 4 chains. And chain 2 and go into the same double crochet and make 1 more double crochet. Now again make 4 double crochets and create the next dip, that is skip 2 and start the so end of it you will have 1 stitch that is remaining, in which you have to make 1 double crochet. Now chain 3, turn your work and continue from the very first chain stitch, which is right here, and start making the next row. That is, you have to make 4 double crochet stitches. So you notice that the first and the last stitch will have 1 double crochet extra. Now we are here at the decrease part. So this is the space. You have to skip these 2 stitches. Just like the decrease, it has to align with the middle stitch. The skipping the stitch, it has to align with the previous row. Okay, so just skip the next 2 chains right here and you're going to continue your 4 double crochet stitches. So this is about the pattern. It's just a 1 row repeat pattern. You just have to do the 4 stitches and either skip 2 stitches or make the V stitch. So now here there is the increase, which is 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. You just go directly into that space and skip 2 and continue the stitch. So this is the stitch pattern. You can see the dips and peaks forming as you go. End of it, you should be having a pattern like this. Do try this out, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below. We'll definitely get to it, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.